All right, guys, this is our 5th annual car cruise. This is our last year here at the WelderUp shop, and then we're gonna move out to Goodsprings. Everything will be out there. Awesome backdrop for cool rat rods to be out, cruising around, and lots of photo ops. All right, roll with me and check out some of this cool stuff.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Minnesota, and this is my 41 GMC truck. Obviously, it's not original front end, but it's kind of there. Just glad to be here. It's nice and warm.
My name is Mag. This is Travis.
I'm Travis.
We're the part of the Reno Tahoe chapter.
This is Mac's 63 convertible. I got a 63 hardtop, and then our other one is a 66 sedan over here. We come down here every year this is the 20-year anniversary of Cadillac Kings, and there's about 150 cars here now.
Probably the pride and joy. Everything rebuilt, everything in the original state. No vapor locking for everybody out there. Clean, rolling, no problems in the heat.
So it's 63 Cadillac, rebuilt, but it's all completely original. AC car, disc brakes, House of Colors, Cosmic Red paint. Do 110 down the freeway, no problem. But yeah, 2 years into this engine bay right here.
My name's Scotty Ray. I live in Las Vegas. They call me Sin City Scotty. This is my rat rod. It's a 1948 cab over engine, actually with a Honda Trail 90 that goes in the front, so I can ride it around at shows when I have a good time. Actually, the doors are gull wing. They're on actuators. The seat I sit in actually is a wheelbarrow, my father's wheelbarrow. He actually mixed thousands of yards of concrete in that wheelbarrow and probably hauled thousands of yards of dirt. Probably helped me when I was a little kid in it. The handles are on the top so I can always grab it and have a feeling for him. The rest of it's on the back of the cab. And then it comes back here to what drives it. Drives it is a 12B71 Detroit. 425 horse, 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, 852 cubic inches, and the engine alone weighs 4,000 pounds. Been all over back east, been Missouri and Dallas, and it's a great truck. I love it. I make people think, make kids think, because I did it on this stance to make people think, you know?
Hello, is everybody around? Hey, if you guys are in the back, come up here in the front. See if you want some stuff. Yeah. Some of you guys are gonna need these tools for the ride out there. Shit, I might even need them. Who's going on the cruise? You guys all going on the cruise? We all going? Raise your hand if you're going on the cruise. So has anybody been following along on the little adventure that I've been doing on the little ghost town? It'll be fun. It's a cool little desert drive. You'll be able to get up to Goodsprings and check it out. It's a very historical town. If you've been watching any of my YouTube or my social media, I have literally been digging shit out of the ground that's been there for 150 years. It's insane. It's a neat little ghost town. Does anybody know, I'm not really a video game guy, but Fallout New Vegas is actually shot in Goodsprings. It has the Pioneer Saloon, the old bar. It's been there since 1913, and it's got tons of great history. The reason for the cruise is because the town of Goodsprings has now officially taken over the cemetery. And the cemetery really has had no care. The last time they messed with it was in the 60s, and they put a fence up around it. And that's really about it. There's 22 graves out there with no gravestones. I think we've identified 10 of them. There's 12 people. There was some old pioneer that came in from Salt Lake City, going to LA to strike gold, buried in the ground, and no one knows who they are. So we're gonna fix that. So I'm hoping that if all you guys can help donate to the raffle, my sister's got some stickers for $5, and I'm trying to grab enough money so I can rebuild the gates. Within the next year and a half, I'd like to get started on it because I'm so busy trying to build my shop this next year.
Yeah, this will be the raffle. There's gonna be 5 winners.
Thank you for your donations. We appreciate it.
There's gonna be 5 winners. 765287. 765287. Richard Jones. Come on, Richard. Yeah, we got a winner.
Go, buddy. Hey, thanks for your donation, man.
Oh, damn. You want all that shit?
You may have to haul this out there. I'm gonna have a big racer truck down there.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You got that little thing. Wow, that's a lot of tools. Good for you, man. Congratulations, brother. All right, 765353. Tracy Ripley. Where is she? Yeah! Woo! Hell yeah! What do you want? We got stuff. All right. Tracy Rat Rod Magazine. Everybody knows Tracy. Hell yeah! Hey, these people keep it going. They keep it going for all of us. So, her and her husband are the coolest people on the planet. We like to thank them for all of their support in the Rat Rod community. Where is he when you need him? Damn, you guys got a lot of shit. Rustic Metal Fabrication made this little fire pit. You can put it in the back of your rat rod, pop it down at wherever you're at, and you got a little burn pit. So it's pretty cool. This is to win all this stuff right here. 765345.
Yeah.
Dan Piccoli.
Yeah, Dan.
Where is he? Hell yeah, Dan. Damn, you won some shit, man. Look at all that shit. I guess so. Hell yeah. Cool.
All that's yours. Yeah.
This is all your shit.
Yeah, except for
You got this, you got some grinders,
Oh, he wants that too.
you got some sunglasses. You're balling, dude. You're a baller. Hey, has anybody seen the little mini giveaway for the C10 truck that we're doing, right? So we're doing a little mini giveaway in there with edge cups for TIG welding, and then we have the Everlast welders, some shit I can't remember. There's a bunch of shit in there. We're gonna announce that giveaway right now. Okay, it's Alexander Vanderbilt. You won? Damn, you won a bunch of shit. You won the whole damn TIG welder and everything. What? Oh. Yeah, it was in the little stuff, right? Yeah. The whole thing. Yeah. That's right, my student, my WelderUp student right here. This is one of my guys that came to my course. Kicks ass. Hell yeah, I'm glad you won, brother. Get that TIG welder, put it to work. You got some edge cups. You got all the good shit.
Dang, dude. I didn't expect that at all. I just came on my lunch break. Happy about that?
All right, wasn't that fun?
Awesome, dude.
Thank you for your donations. We appreciate it.
All right, the time has come that we've all been waiting on to go out to Goodsprings, check out the Carnival of Rust. Make sure you follow me out there, and if you're not there, meet me there. If you don't make it this year, I'll see you next year.